What's going on, guys? It's 1 a.m. here, and we're currently heading out to Fresno to have a little meet with our club, Mustangs of Central Cal. We're meeting up at this place called Raps Rose, and we are rolling in deep, I must tell you. There's an 01 GT. I'm thinking it's an 01 GT with Termi swap. So he's fucking hauling ass. And we got Jaw SI50, we got Nasty, we got my best friend in his Lightning Blue rolling up right here. And then we got the EcoBoost as well. He's coming up as well. And then we got a V6 Camaro and a V6 Challenger as well. Or I think it's a Hemi, I'm not sure. Alright, so let's see what the Challenger's doing. Let's get up to the pack and see what's... So, I gotta say, this fucking car is fucking looks gorgeous. Like, it's like a matte Mystic Chrome, but like in a different like shades of colors. Turns blue to purple to some sort of red. And it looks gorgeous as hell. Hopefully this is good footage for you guys too as well, because I'm using the head strap. And I know a bunch of people are looking at me. Fucking Caesar keeps like dying in his car over there. But yeah, guys, so we'll probably carry this on in Fresno when we get there. I'm actually gonna go pick up some springs, so I'm gonna pull off from the group before I get to the meet, and then I'll also be buying my true fiber carbon fiber spoiler at the meet. So yeah, lots of things are gonna happen to the car soon. Not like a lot of things, but things are gonna happen. So stick around for that. This has been One Hand. I'm out.
Sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. A life destroyed.
we are coming back home. I didn't get that much footage at the meet, and that's kind of my fault, but we did leave kind of early. We were only there for what, about like 40 minutes, and so I didn't record that much. I only recorded mainly Mustangs and nothing else. I know there's a Viper, there's a couple nice cars there that I wanted to record, but I didn't get the chance to. And then I got my springs. I was gonna record that, but ended up being a little later than I thought it would be, so I didn't record it. But I did get them. They're in my trunk right now. The only thing I didn't get was my true fiber carbon fiber ducktail. That's gonna be another week or so, he said, because he didn't get to take it off this time. He had to leave for a family emergency or something like that. And so yeah, I'll probably be getting it next week. He's gonna be driving down south, so he's gonna run to my town, drop it off, pay him, and then yeah, have myself a true fiber ducktail if everything goes out as planned. So yeah, so this is basically gonna be the outro of the video because there's not much left to do. It's just me and my friend in his silver Angel, and then we got my best friend in his lightning blue back there. Both of them have Corsas, Angel running quad tips, and you know, I'm jealous. I'm very jealous that they have that and I'm stock as fuck because I sold my Borlas. So yeah, but mods are soon to come, guys, so stick around for that. Hope you guys like and enjoyed this video. Sorry that it was short, but I'm trying to get out more content for you guys, so yeah, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment, and it's been one Ed. I'm out. God damn, those horses are gorgeous. Guys, so we're all heading out basically. We're already home basically. We're just around the block, but we're here all zone. Say goodbye, everybody. This is the Termi Swap 01 GT. Alright guys, see you guys in the next one.